Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna do the unboxing and full review for the new Huawei Watch GT4, the premium edition, which comes with a stainless steel case and stainless steel strap as well. So let's do the unboxing. So as you can see guys, Huawei Watch GT4, this is the premium edition, which comes with the stainless steel strap and stainless steel case as well. From my opinion, I see that the watch really comes in very elegant design and the premium material. It's similar to the GT3 Pro, which comes with titanium strap, but Huawei, they just change the way how to fix the strap to the watch. I do believe that in GT3 Pro it was different way to install the strap or to fix the strap to the watch, but now they just make it a little bit easy than the previous generation. And the strap as well, you can adjust. For example, you can just remove some pieces from here. If you want to adjust the strap, you have the option to remove like 4 or 5 pieces from the right side and the same from the left side. And the watch here comes with 46 mm and 1.5 inch, and it comes here with the AMOLED screen. So the AMOLED screen, guys, will give you the true colors, and it gives very good resolution also in terms of like under the light, under the sun. So in outdoor, the watch will give you amazing brightness as well. Plus also the watch here, it comes as usual from Huawei 14 days of battery life. So in typical use it will last with you for 14 days. If you are using like heavy use, it can last up to 10 or 11 days. In terms of the health management, so we have here as usual from Huawei, we have the SpO2, which the watch can check your oxygen level in your blood. Plus also we have the heart rate, and we have as well the sleep tracking. So the sleep tracking here, guys, can check how many hours did you sleep and if it was deep sleeping or light sleeping. Plus also there is something new here from Huawei GT4, which it calls the pulse wave arrhythmia analysis. This one, it will check if your heart beats in rhythm or no, and if there is any change, it will give you an alert to just go for checkup. Plus also we have here the skin temperature. This is not body temperature, just skin temperature. Okay. Plus also the watch here having the stress and breathing exercise. So you can do some breathing exercise on the watch as well, and also it has a stress level, so you can measure your stress level as well. Plus the watch, it has the new Stay Fit app. So this is Stay Fit app. It's one of the best applications where you can use to control and monitor your like calories. So for example, by using this application, you need just to input or check how many calories you take in the breakfast, lunch and dinner, and the watch will calculate the intake calories and outgoing calories. So it will tell you if you're gonna maintain your body weight, or you're gonna lose weight, or you're gonna gain weight. So this application comes built in the watch, and as of now I think this application only in the watch GT4. Maybe with the new update it will be available in another Huawei watch series. Plus also we have here more than 100 workout modes. So for example, we can see here a lot of workout like indoor running, outdoor running, cycling, swimming, jumping rope, mountain hiking, and all of this workout mode will be in Huawei Watch GT4. Plus also you can add more. For example, if you didn't find your favorite workout here, so you can just go for costume and you can press add, and from here you can just select which workout you want to add. So there is a lot of workout, guys. Just check which workout you want to add to your favorite workout list. So easily you can just mark it and add it to the workout list. Like for example, if I want to add soccer or basketball, so I'll just go and press add, so it will be added to my workout mode. As you can see here, it's added in the beginning, in the first. And as we mentioned that the watch here comes with a lot of watch faces, guys, so by default you will have almost like 10 watch faces in the watch, like pre-installed, but from the application you will have a lot of watch faces. It's more than thousands, where there are some free and some also paid application. You can download it in the watch. So I feel that the watch looks amazing for the people who like to have this kind of strap on the wrist. So this titanium, this stainless steel strap, it looks amazing. And if you will just if you want to adjust the strap a little bit, you can just remove one of these pieces, so it will be perfectly fit in your wrist. Plus also the watch, it has here internal storage where you can download up to, it has 32 GB of storage, so you can download music here and you can just listen it direct from the watch itself. Or else you can just go and connect it to your FreeBuds. If you will just have a FreeBuds or any Bluetooth FreeBuds, you can simply connect it here and listen to the music through the earbuds. And I feel this is very good option for the people who like to go for the gym or doing exercise without carrying your phone with you. So this is the best solution for you. So you will download your music in the watch, connect it to your FreeBuds, and you're ready to go. Plus also there are some new, like this is the new software from Huawei where they add some tiles here. So if you swipe left, you will have like music control, the weather. If you will swipe right, so you will have like a combo service widget here, unlike the previous generation from the watches. So before, if you will swipe right, you will have a single application in one tile, but now there is like combo tiles here, as you can see. So that's something good also as well. And for sure the watch, it doesn't have eSIM, so in order to receive messages and calls you need to have your phone with you. So you cannot connect the watch direct to the Wi-Fi. There is no option to connect the watch to the Wi-Fi. It needs to use the mobile data or mobile Wi-Fi in order to get the updates and also to receive the messages and calls. Plus also the watch here, it has the always on display, so you can simply go for here, you can press watch and faces and you can activate the always on display. The always on display here, from my opinion, is not that much under the sunlight you will never see this watch faces. It will be like a little bit dark, it's not that much bright, but still it gives a good result in normal use, like indoor. And now Huawei just added the sleep option here. So if you are wearing the watch when you are sleeping, so the watch will never turn on if you will use it to for example, in normal way, if you are wearing the watch and you just raise your hand, so the watch will work. But right now in sleep mode it will not work, so it will not disturb you while you are sleeping. Plus also it will stop receiving notification messages. Maybe you will just, if you want, you can add like some emergency contacts. You can receive only messages from these contacts. Apart from that, you will never receive any message. So that's it for our video today, guys. If you have any question, just drop your comment in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. And if you like the video, please subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Until I see you next time.